Hi everyone, this is Gazer. I'm the coder of Rygar for the Amiga, and today I was actually browsing Facebook as I normally do when I come in from work, and there was an interesting post by this guy here, Pete Armour. His post was around was actually asking indie developers or homebrew developers why they don't keep the boxes for, in this instance, Amiga games the same sort of size. And I have to agree with them, really. Now, if we take a look at these boxes here, you can see like a lot of them are completely different size. You've got the DVD dual case boxes here, and then you've got some other size boxes here, and then there's the Rygar box that I created there, and you've got some other boxes here. And then I just kind of looked at them, and I've got to agree with Pete. So what I thought I would do is actually get the ball rolling by taking you through how I actually created the Rygar box. And there's nothing really special about it. You just go to a website and put your dimensions in and choose the finish you want and upload your artwork. But I thought I'd take you through it anyway, just to see if we can actually get a bit of I guess uniformity of the sizes of the boxes that are coming out. And it'd be really great if we could, because I love a good Amiga box. I remember when I had my ST and my Amiga, I absolutely loved having all my boxes of the same sizes all on the shelf, and I kind of want to get back to those days, I think. So yeah, I'm going to take you through it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, just go to a website, Board Games Maker, and look at game boxes. Board Games box, and you want custom size. Now, what this part of the site lets you do is put in your dimensions for your box. Now, I modelled the Rygar box on the Frontier 2 size box, which when I measured it, the outer side of the box was 235mm by 195mm, I believe it was. Might have been 100. Yeah, I think it was 185, and then 40mm as well. And I actually set it at 2.1mm cardboard. Now, I know a few people had mentioned the Rygar box. The cardboard was so thick that with the gloss, it was actually a little bit difficult to open. So if you're building yours, you might want to choose the 1.6mm, but I quite like that thick cardboard finish, so choose that there. And you want the gloss lamination, which gives it that nice shiny finish that I quite liked. Now, once you've done that, you can start your design, and what this then does is it takes the dimensions that you've put in, and it lets you download these templates here. So last time I tried this, it didn't work. I'll give it another try. I've actually got the templates already downloaded. Oh yeah, it's worked this time. So that's downloaded the PDF template. So if I open this up now, you actually see an outline of the upper part of the box and the lower part of the box, or the lid and the actual box itself with the lid. Yeah. So what you essentially do is you put this into your favorite art program, and you put your art on top of it, and then upload it back to the website. So let's just do that. So what we do is effectively, I'll just get rid of that. We say Adobe Photoshop, and I'll just run through it completely for you. And I'm getting mixed up. Let me just download templates here. templates. Right, okay, so I'm just going to do show in folder. Yeah, I'm going to do open with Adobe Photoshop, and when it pops up with this, you want to select both pages. So you press Control and select both pages to open. Click OK, and you've effectively opened. That's the top of the box. That's the bottom of the box. So what you want to do is add an extra layer to this box here. So new layer, and the site tells you to do CMYK. That's what it tells it to name it as. I don't know why, but it just does. And once you've done that, how I did this previously was that I actually done both of these, and I added a layer on this one as well. Layer CMYK. Okay, and typically, because I'm no good with this sort of stuff, I'll just kind of do it the naughty way. So I'm just going to do open a file. Now this is the artwork for Rygar. So this is the lid, and this is the box, which Kevin Saunders did. Absolutely fantastic piece of work. So that's opened as a separate image. Now what typically I will do is I'll just grab that whole image by pressing Control and here, and then copying it by pressing Control C, and then to paste it into this layer, I'll just press Control V. Now the important thing with this is that you've got to be able to see the guidelines through. So when you do this, you need to set the opacity to a bit lower so that the guidelines pop through, and there you go. Just add a bit. You can clearly see the guidelines there. That's come through, which is fine. And we do the same for this one. So if I just upload the base of the box as well, similar sort of thing, and press Control A, Control C, and paste it in there. And as you can see, the guidelines are exactly round the center of how the box will actually look. So I'm actually okay to close these now. And that is essentially it. Now what you do is, and I've really got to get this right, you do File and then Export, and then I believe it is Export As. You've got to kind of get both of these in the PNG, in the PDF file. So let me just try that again. Automate, that's what it is. PDF presentation. I think that's what it is. I'd open files. Yeah, that's right. And we select save. Pop this in. It's in wherever it was, production 3, and I'll just put Rygar demo, and okay that. I'm just gonna kinda just save PDF for this and just see what it actually does. So if I now look in here, where's this worked? Open Rygar demo, and yes, it has. So there you go. So what you do is you just take that file, and we go back to our Go back to the site. And what we should be able to do is... Right, okay, so once you rename your project here, so, you know, just call this, I guess, call this demo, and I'm going to upload your file. I'm going to select the file that I output, which was in here, and then in here, 1, 3, let that upload. What you'd have to do is tick that box there to make sure that it's all your work, and add the cart. Now, one thing I didn't do there, try going back, try add to cart, it hasn't worked. Let's try that again. Okay, add to cart. Okay, and that's added, so you can see it there. And what you kind of want to do is, you'll see it's popped up with the price, the unit price here. And you can actually modify these. Let me just double check this. So if you want 10 of the boxes, you do update. And you can actually fiddle around with this when you're actually doing it, when you're actually creating the box sizes. I might show you that actually as well. So if you want 10 of them, it's going to cost you £76. That's excluding delivery. What I noticed, you can get around about 14 of them in one box. If you go above 14, they'll put it in another box for you, and it'll cost you quite a bit more in delivery. Because these boxes come from China, but you know, the quality of them are absolutely superb. They really are. So perhaps if we click here, we can't modify the box there. But I'll just show you, if you wanted to play around with the costs and things like that, you can do. So if we go to, if we just maybe remove this out. Probably click delete. There you go. We'll just go back to game boxes, custom game size box. Like I say, you can just do 235, 195, 40. And in here you can put in how many you want, which I believe was, yeah, so it's updated the price there, but you can put in your quantity as well. So if you wanted to order, say, 15 of them, you just put them in there, say update. This should update. There you go. So it's £7.61 for each, per unit for 15. And as you can see, if you ordered like 25, you get, you can, 2 through to 25 will only cost you £7.60 each box. So if you There they go, maybe 35 of them. But like I say, don't forget to add the delivery onto this. The delivery is, bear in mind that it's tracked, can be quite significant. And also don't forget, because I'm here in the UK, I had to pay an import charge on the boxes as well. And if the total cost of the items, excluding delivery, is under, I think it was £35, you didn't pay any import duty at all on that. But that was to the UK. So yeah, that was that. I was just wanting to show you how I built the Rygar boxes. It took around about 10 days for them to manufacture the boxes and get them delivered. And the quality was absolutely superb. Couldn't fault the quality of the boxes, and I'm sure anybody who has one will absolutely agree with me. Okay, that was it. That's what I wanted to show. So hopefully Pete will get his wish, and that we'll start seeing some more uniform sized boxes in the new homebrew scene that is with the Amiga. All right, thanks guys, and thanks for watching.